Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve this exponential equation 4 power a plus 4 power a is equals to 80 and we have to find the value of a. So let's solve it. So since both terms are same, so we'll combine it. So 4 power a, 1 plus 1 is equals to 80. So 4 power a times 2 is equals to 80. 4 power a is equals to 80 by 2. So we can write 4 power a is equals to 40. Now I am taking log on both sides. Log 4 power a is equals to log 40. So according to log rule, log a power b is equals to b log a. So a log 4 is equals to log 40. A is equals to log 40 by log 4. You can write log 40 as 4 times 10 and then use the sum rule of log, or you can directly put the value of log 40, that is approximately 1.6021, and log 4 is approximately 0.6020. So A is approximately 2.662. I hope you like it and find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.